Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mami Abna. If today is your first time stopping by my channel, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to stick with me by subscribing and turning on your post notification, and if you find this video helpful, please do well to share as well. From the title, you guys know what we are going to be doing today. I'm going to show you guys how to make this wig cap goddess locks, and this is me showing you the product that we are going to be using for the tutorial. I used 3 packs of the Passion Twist by Darling and 2 packs of their natural twist. So this is me showing you the hair prepping. I cut it into 2. The natural twist was in 20 inches, so I divided it into 2, making it 10 inches, and that is what I started with from the root. This style is going to be a bob goddess lock, so we don't want it to be lengthy. But once I get to the top, you guys will see what I'm talking about. I'll make one side longer than the other just to make the front and then the back side all the same length. After I've placed my natural twist between the holes as you saw me do, I then moved ahead to use the Passion Twist to start wrapping, and I used 1 strand for each braid. With butterfly locks, the aim is to make it look messy. So as you saw me do, I'm pulling some of the hair out as I wrap along the way, going all down, just to get the messy or butterfly effects that we are going for. I'm going to repeat the process all around, and yeah, when you get to the closure side, I'll explain more there. So here I've made progress so far with the wig cap making. I am placing 3 fingers in between just to give me a guideline of where to put my next braid. I don't want to make it all clumpy beneath it because I'm not going for like a whole lot of locks. I just want it to look so natural on my head when I wear it. So I'm leaving big gaps in between, but don't worry, it's going to be covered. Don't worry. So we are done with the easy part of the wig making, and this side is the difficult part for me. It's not really difficult, but it's time consuming doing the ventilation side. If you have a lace closure or lace frontal, you can use it at this point, but if you don't have it, try recreating your own. So yeah, I tried using my small ventilation pin to do it, but it was taking so much time because I'm still learning and I'm not a pro at it. So I went ahead to use my small crochet pin. So you may see that the knots are not really invisible. That's because I picked about 3 to 4 strands each as I go along the way. That is how come it's looking like that. You can pick one strand if you want, but I just wanted to ventilate more. So yeah, that is what I'm doing now. If you want an in-depth video of how to ventilate, let me know. I know I'm owing you guys a lot of videos which I'm going to deliver, but let me know so that I can add it to my calendar and film it for you guys. Once I'm satisfied with the ventilation, I then go ahead to tie it with a rubber band, black rubber band, the smallest size. That is what I use to tie it, so that when I'm braiding, it will be like really natural. If I braid without the tie, the gaps in between are going to show, and we don't want it like that way. If you are using, I went off camera to finish most of it by braiding and everything, and now I'm left with just 2 strands to finish, and that is what I'm going to show you guys right now. So I'm braiding it with the kinky hair, that's the natural twist from Darling, first before I wrap. From the back, we didn't braid, we just crocheted the natural twist and then we did the wrapping. But because we did ventilation in front, you cannot just use that method here. You have to braid it with the extension, then you wrap, just to get the thickness that you want and also make the hair last more longer. So yeah, that's basically it for this style. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned something from it. Please let me know if you want me to answer your questions or anything. Leave it in the comment section down below. If you have any suggestions or comments, anything about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to attend to that. And please make sure you watch the video to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to wear it and how to style it as well. Until next week, stay fab, stay beautiful, and be awesome. Bye guys.